on the phone to the doctor who has just seen him. He's also been seen by Dr. Atul, who has been managing him from Delhi. His parameters are absolutely fine, and I think by tomorrow evening or day after morning, the Chief Minister should be back at home. Remember one thing, I would like to appeal to all the members of the media, is a man who has contributed so much to the state of Goa, and me as the Health Minister of the state of Goa, I request you to believe in the statement that I make. I am not making any statement, or I am not trying to cover any fact. I am trying to give you the actual statement because I am the only one among other people who is accessible to the. I am accessible. I met the Chief Minister in the morning. I met the Chief Minister yesterday in the evening. I met him yesterday morning. Day before night, I was here with him. I only want to tell you that he is fighting fit and he will get discharged and he will go home. He needs a little rest. We all know that he has an issue, but same time, he had that discomfort with modification in terms of the treatment to be given by Dr. Garg has been already done. Dr. Garg flies back to Delhi today evening, and that too alone, not with the Chief Minister. There were rumors that Chief Minister is being shifted to Delhi. There is no question of shifting because it doesn't need to be shifted to Delhi. Parameters, heartbeat, pulse, every parameter is holding on. He is a fighter and he will fight through this episode and come through. He needs to be kept under observation, which is being kept because all the facilities are there within the Goa Medical College. And as a result of it, there is nothing to panic, seek courtesy. And after all, he is the tallest leader of the party, and Santosh is also a leader, and he wanted to see him, so he went and met him.